How does the serene sky birth a vortex of chaos? Let's unravel the enigma of tornadoes. Tornadoes, nature's most violent storms, can appear without warning, leaving a trail of destruction. Their formation begins with a dance between warm, moist air and cooler, dry air. As these air masses collide, they create thunderstorms, the cradle of tornadoes. Inside these storms, wind speed and direction changes lead to rotation, the birth of a tornado. The deadliest tornado in history, the 1925 Tri-State tornado, redefined our understanding. It carved a path over 3 states, claiming 695 lives, a somber reminder of nature's power. Advancements in meteorology have since enhanced our ability to predict and prepare for tornadoes. Doppler radar systems now provide critical data, offering precious minutes to seek shelter. Community preparedness programs have emerged, teaching safety and response to these violent storms. Despite our progress, tornadoes remain unpredictable, each event a unique fingerprint in history. The scars left on landscapes and communities alike tell a story of resilience and recovery. As we continue to learn from each tornado, we build a safer future against these formidable foes. The journey through tornado history teaches us respect for the atmosphere's might and mystery. Together, we stand vigilant, ever watchful of the skies, guardians against the whirlwind's wrath.